Joey has helped us turn this into our dream. It was awesome. We got rid of a room that we didn't need, and we created a laundry room that we did need, and this master closet that I have now, I could like live in there. I just love it. Yeah.
And Joey brought in Jeremy, an architect he works with, who somehow worked our idea into a floor plan that we could look at, and we're like, really? Like that can happen here? And then it began to get exciting.
We just sort of trusted him to make it all happen. He would make decisions that felt right for us afterwards, and we just trusted him because he knew us, and he knew how he felt, how we wanted it to feel. And we trusted him to pull it all together, and he did.
Is there any way that you could make this ceiling match the vaulted ceiling in the living room? That would be really something very special. And over a weekend he did. He got the ceiling up. It was incredible. It was like magical. We came back the next day and there's the ceiling going up 15 feet. And that was just an amazing thing.
Everybody that he brought to the house, the electrician, the plumber, the tile guy, everyone was like superb. They were far exceeded our expectations, and they were people that were very respectful, just like Joey, kind of like a mirror image of him. For me, it's really our very, very close relationship with Joey. He really is family now. And I would trust him with any aspect of any job. It's not just the physical elements of the job, it's the day-to-day communication. And if people want to have a smooth and comfortable and successful conversation with Joey in terms of what they need, he pays attention to all the details, and he listens. And from there, you can trust him.